Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss one of the most useful topic in Selenium, that is how to run headless browser execution as part of Selenium tutorials. So let's get started. So we have an option in the drivers called HTML unit driver, which supports the headless browser execution, and this headless browser runs without a user interface. So that doesn't require any user interface to shown up while running on other drivers like Chrome driver, IE driver, and Edge driver that require the browsers to launch. For this HTML driver that doesn't require to launch any browser, it will run in the background and it will provide the results, and it is one of the big benefit of using for testing the performance, since it doesn't require any browser that doesn't have any UI. And these HTML driver commands that execute real fast when compared to other drivers like Chrome driver, IE driver, Edge driver. And this commands execution is very fast because it runs in the background, so that doesn't have any head like in browser to execute. So it is a very faster and much reliable when compared to other drivers. And this is the download link where we can download the drivers of HTML driver. And let me show you from where I can download. So this is my the download location where we can download the HTML unit driver. So the latest version is 2.44, and we need to download this HTML driver 2.44 with the dependencies jar. We need to download this first jar and we need to paste it in our build path. So let me open the Chrome, let me open my Eclipse, and where I can go to build path. So this is my sample Selenium project. We need to go to build path, and under build path go to libraries and go to add external libraries or external jar, and point this HTML unit driver that we have downloaded and located in downloads, and apply and close. So now we have a file. We need to create a sample piece of code which can invoke this headless browser execution. So I have a package created here. Under that, I will create a class. Let me create a class, and let me say this class name as HTML unit driver, and we need a main method. Click on finish. So here we have this class here. So I have what I have did till now. We have downloaded HTML driver, we have pasted in the build path, and we are trying to invoke those HTML unit driver using unit HTML unit driver and instance as driver equal to new HTML unit driver, and we need to import those packages. And now using driver I will try to get the URL. So get I think here we have imported wrong package here, so I think we need to import the correct package. Let me retry again. So let me change this driver to HTML unit driver, which is having a we have used a smaller case here, so we'll try to use in the uppercase of HTML unit driver. I think that's just creating the problem where we are unable to get these methods which are available in the web driver. So we have now figured it out. Let me use this location, sample application URL as my Facebook page, and I will say driver to get this location, and after getting the location I will try to print the title of that page. So let me store that in a string title equal to driver dot get title, and after that I will say sysout, and I will print this title in that sysout. So my page title is, and I will append my title here, title. Now I will run the program, save and run the program. See, it is running now. So it doesn't require any browser to launch. So without any browser it has launched this and it has performed. So it is very much faster when compared to other browsers. So let me comment for you now here. Let me comment this line and try to do this using a WebDriver. WebDriver driver equal to new Chrome driver, and we need to set the system set properties. System dot set property, and property as WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. I wanted to show you the difference between these two executions. So how this browser, headless browser execute, and how this normal generic way of where we will launch in Chrome driver and then perform this action. Now we have done everything, and let me quickly save this program and run again. It is launched the browser and then it loads the URL, and then after it takes the title of that page and then it prints here. So entire transaction required, entire this to and fro commands take some time. So let me do the same thing using our headless browser execution. So let me uncomment my headless browser execution then, and again I will run this program. So now I'm trying to do the headless browser execution. You can see there is no browser launch and it is done. So it is very much faster when compared to the other generic way where we try to launch the website in the browser and then do the program. So this is how we perform the headless browser execution. So far we have did how this execution works here, and we have compared the normal generic way how we can launch the driver, Chrome driver or different browsers to launch and execute here. And now the one more point here is in HTML driver. So now I have launched this HTML unit driver and I have performed some action using this URL and getting the title. I don't know whether I'm using which browser. I wanted to perform headless execution, but that is fine. But in which browser I need to perform this headless execution, that is not defined, right? So here we have an option in the HTML unit driver where we can provide that option. So in the HTML unit driver, we can provide an arguments like browser version. So if you click on the browser version, and after that you will see the flavors of the drivers. So here I have Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Firefox 68, Internet Explorer. So I wanted to try on Edge. Okay, now it's performing headless browser execution on the Edge browser. Let me again quickly save and run. Now the execution environment is under Edge. So in case if you wanted to try execution environment on Chrome, in case if you wanted to use Chrome, you can click on Chrome. So it will perform execution environment in the Chrome. This is how we can do the headless execution on the different browsers which has no UI to execute the commands. So it is in the background, so it's a headless, like all the commands which execute in the background. So we can configure all the browsers also using Chrome, Firefox, IE. And this HTML unit driver is very much important as part of interview point of view. Any question can be asked as part of this in the HTML unit driver. So which is the fastest driver among all the drivers, which is the HTML unit driver that doesn't require any GUI interface to send the commands and retrieve the data. I hope this session is useful for you. In case if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.